Hi everyone, I'm Delana Cheatham and I work as a software engineer at LinkedIn. If you think of some of your favorite apps such as TikTok, Netflix, and Instagram, all of those platforms were developed by software engineers. We basically write code to create features for apps and websites. I believe that Black people deserve a seat at every table, especially in tech. By exposing more Black people to tech, we allow our communities to express ourselves through innovative entrepreneurship, as well as have more access to high-paying careers. I didn't always know that I wanted to be an engineer, but I knew I had a passion for innovation. My interest was originally sparked in middle school when I went to a free engineering camp hosted by NSB. I recently created a platform called the Tech Flex to help further expose our community to the benefits of working in tech and how to get started. I really hope that this post encourages someone to start their journey soon because there's definitely room for more seats at the table.